Hey, what's up, JT? Sorry about that. It's freaking hot right now. Because I'm gonna start a new vlog today. My phone's already getting dead. I'm not gonna start the vlog today. I was done getting out of school. Now I'm just gonna make a mask. I'm just gonna make the PZ9 mask from Spy Ninjas. Spy Ninjas, Chad Wildplay, and V, Daniel, Regina, Melvin, Leon, Shinobi. Follow me, all you guys. I'm just a child, 9 years old. I'm starting channel. If you want to follow me, comment, like, and comment the video. Likes and subscribe. Comment this video and don't miss out.